Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we've learned how to create this function track payout and we call for it. And we have all this messy output. Now, how do we refine this output so that it looks neater and easier for us to read? To do that, first we will not be printing all set results. So we will comment it out. Next, we'll do some print statement. We'll be printing your winning sets, actual winning sets below. So which means that whatever that you actually win will be printed after this. So what we're doing right here is that if the length of the winning numbers is more than 2, we need to have at least 3 winning numbers, then we'll print out the list here. In this statement, your set number I, percentage I. So we're saying that which set number do you win a prize? And this is the numbers, the total numbers that you've bought, has how many winning numbers and how many additional numbers. Now let's run the code again to see what does this print actually means. For this length, there is a close bracket here. Now when we rerun the code again, there's another close bracket for this length here. Okay, it should work now. Let's run. So what is the output here? your set number 18 is referring to this percentage I. So this is your 18th entry of your whole set here. You win a prize. And then this is the number that you have bought. All sets results I at index 0. And then you have how many winning numbers? It refers to the length of at index 1. You have 3 winning numbers. And then we are showing them what are the 3 winning numbers that they have won. 19, 29, and 37. Which we use this percentage as referring to all sets results at index 1. Now we're also saying that n percentage I of addition number, and we have 0 addition number because we do not have any matching for this all sets result at index 2. Now this is what we have for the individual numbers. What we do not have here is the value of the winnings. So we will do a print again. We will do a print statement. Your set wins $. Percentage I referring to an integer value of this all sets result at index 3. Now if we rerun this code, press enter, you're buying 10 sets each. Your set at number 22 wins a prize of $100 because it's a system 8 with 3 winning numbers. And for the set at index 40, it's a system 10 with 3 winning numbers. You win a prize of 350. And now to see all the sets of numbers that you have bought, for I in range length of all sets results, print, we'll print an I, and we're also printing all sets results at index I. At index 22, you have bought this set of numbers. This is your winning number. There's no addition number, and this is the value that you won. At index 40, this is the number that you have bought. You have 3 winning numbers, there's no addition numbers, and 350 is the value of the winning prize for this particular set. In this video, we've learned how to write our outputs for each of our winning numbers. We determine which index wins, how many winning numbers and how many addition numbers, and also what is the winning price for that particular set. In the next video, we will wrap up our codings by determining whether is it a net win or a net lose. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.